We requested JMR to come out here and install this awning, and they came out. They were nothing but professional, and they just did great work. It's truly nice to be able to see quality work, artisanship that comes out of JMR. You know, so many subcontractors just don't do that anymore. I would recommend JMR for all your roofing, awning, and underpinning needs. They also did some underpinning on a deck out and back. JMR helped me on this project for Ferguson Home. It's a high-end showroom showcasing plumbing fixtures, lighting fixtures, appliances. And for those of you that are in the high-end market of high-end homes, I strongly recommend JMR to do your roofing and awning needs.